Sir, Chairman sir is here.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Sarangi, for giving a nice talk. All of you know he's a close, dear friend. And when I told him that you have to speak to our children, he said, I will find out the time and I will speak to your children first. So thank you for keeping your promise. Your office immediately contacting and making this happen. So I could only hear the last 15-20 minutes of your talk, and the message that you gave is extremely crucial. Is I think though it is related to traffic only, you said that, but I feel uh, we have to develop that habit of obeying the laws. Two things where India gets defeated in everything in the world is people not valuing contracts. Any contract in India is not, adhered to, and there are ways and means of not adhering to and going to a legal system where it takes years. So every, a good business house of the world is scared to come to India. Second, we take pride in breaking the law. If there is a queue, we'll take pride in going and taking the first, if there is a simple thing, if there you are going for a hotel and there are 5 people and one person is interacting with the receptionist, you'll find 3 more people coming to the desk and talking and disturbing you. Nowhere in the world it happens. You wait for your turn, right? So I think there is something to be redeveloped culturally. So I have a few suggestions, if these can be inculcated. First is I think Bhubaneswar, I've seen many parts of the world, from the kindergarten stage, from 2-3 years old, the sense of traffic, it's called the traffic etiquette. Traffic etiquette is something where the child learns to be disciplined. Why people join NCC is because they learn how to be disciplined. So if a children traffic park can be developed by the Commissioner Police, I think it will do a tremendous good for these younger children to learn everything about traffic. The second is, I saw a very good thing happening now in the metros. Now it has to be done for Bhubaneswar. I saw in Bangalore, I saw in Delhi, yeah, I saw to some extent in Hyderabad. Every school, with the help of the police, parents are given aprons written as parent volunteers, traffic volunteers. And everywhere there is jam, the 10-15 parents, they always volunteer to clear out that, because it's only half an hour jam, but it creates a chaos in the school area, like DAV, Chandrasekhar or Unit 8, the entire traffic is jammed, which can be easily, in front of SAI also. So if you can create that parent voluntary scheme, that will bring a huge change in the mindset. Third is, if we can, like NCC, I don't know how feasible it is, if we can develop a student police concept where children learn, they will get a badge as a student police, and they will then be your, trainers to put in the police etiquettes. There are certain things called as police etiquettes. They will then make conscious of the rules and regulations. And the last uh, request is, every year our student council is installed by the Commissioner of Police. So now, since the schools have opened, we will like to have you in uniform to install our student council. So these were the 4 suggestions, and thank you very much for finding time. And I know there will be many questions and I am very happy, such more than 100 teachers also have joined. You are the people who are going to take this talk forward. So please note down every point that Dr. Sarangi said and repeat it various times. Why the teachers, you have to take it forward to the students, not in silo, but as a continuous process. Then it gets registered in the minds of the children. So this was in a very nutshell. I don't want to, block further the children, or the teachers asking questions. And thank you once again, Dr. Sarangi, for being, such a great, uh, speaker for on this traffic orientation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sahu. You are working as an advisor to the state government. All the 4 points are absolutely valid. We need a children traffic park. We will implement that. The parent volunteer scheme, yes, It's something which has been in the conceptualization stage. We were about to implement it when this COVID thing came up. We will do this definitely as once schools open. And the cadet policing scheme, we did think about the police cadet. That has been implemented in some schools, but again, resources and time is becoming a handicap. We had actually planned to involve schools in our Republic Day parade, because after the last Republic Day parade, that is 2020, I changed the entire format for the state level parade. And that time I had told the schools and the teachers that this is not good enough for a state level function. So we thought that that will give us an opportunity to train some of your students in some bit of drill and regimentation and etiquettes. But this year it did not happen again. I will definitely come to the student council meeting as and when you do that. That will be always a pleasure. They're doing a phenomenal job to produce one of the best schools in India. From Bhubaneswar requires a lot of vision, thinking, hard work, dedication, and commitment. Many people think that you set up a school to make money, but actually that is not correct. No one makes money in setting up a school like this. It's purely a passionate thing. Your idea of contributing to the next generation and to your country, and you have done a phenomenal job. Thank you.
Give a big hand to Dr. Saragi, for accepting all the 4 of our requests. Give a big hand.